What's up everyone, it's Wolf here, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a video on how to unblock websites on a school Chromebook. By the way, if you got into the methods, make sure to comment down below and let me know. But before I get started, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any of my latest methods. Also, check out my Discord server and r/SCPWolf if you need help. Link is in the description below. All of the links are in the description below. So first, paste the first link into the URL bar, and open a new tab, and go to Chrome/extensions. Find the extension that's blocking you, and go to Details. Then, go back to your first link, and you will find the text, Paste extension ID here. Copy the extension ID. It should be at the end of the URL. And paste it where the text is. Then, copy the entire URL and create a bookmark. Set the URL to the URL just copied. After that, create another bookmark and set the URL to Chrome/kill. Then, create another bookmark and set the URL to Chrome/hang. After you created all three bookmarks, open each one based on the order you created them. After that, you can go to any website you want. For example, if you want to go to discord.com, all you have to do is type discord.com. And as you can see over here, it is not blocked anymore. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video is helpful. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like down below and check out my Discord server or just comment down below if you have any issues. And I will see you guys next time.